Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking you on a journey to transform a humble banana into a delightful and addictive snack. It's time to make homemade banana chips. Forget expensive store-bought chips loaded with artificial ingredients. Ditch the processed snacks and embrace the natural sweetness of banana. Let's get cooking and create a batch of delicious homemade banana chips at home. So first take 3 matoki bananas. These are originally from Uganda. Or you can use any underripe green bananas. So first cut the ends of the banana and simply peel the skin. Something like this. Then cut the bananas in thin slices. Make sure it is something like this. Cut all the remaining bananas similar like this. So I've cut all the 3 bananas. Make sure the slices are this thin, something like this. If the banana slices are thin, it will get nice and crispy. Then leave this aside. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, add some salt to taste, add 5 tablespoons water and give this a nice mix. Then leave this aside. Then simply deep fry the banana slices until it is crispy and golden brown. Then simply add the turmeric mix to the fried chips, but make sure you add just 1 tablespoon at a time and give this a mix. Keep adding 1 tablespoon at a time, as you will see that the chips will get a nice yellow color. But be very careful while doing this. Then remove the chips in a separate plate when it is ready. And there you have it guys, a beautiful plate of homemade banana chips ready for your movie night. Look at that gorgeous golden brown color, that's perfect crispiness, a testament to homemade goodness. Remember, you can personalize your chips with different spices or a touch of honey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and creative recipe ideas like this one. Until next time, happy cooking, bye.